Buckle up, all you Hoosiers. Here I come.
We are on the road to central Indiana today. Right now, there's no spring at all, and we are approaching Chicago and soon beyond. Join me today. It's happening. Good morning, Shroomers and Spore Walkers. We're at our first rest stop.
Turn left on I-94.
Yeah, I-94. We're on our first rest stop in Illinois, and it's breakfast time. What's happening, y'all? Hey, this sandwich, $2 more in Illinois than in Wisconsin. What? I need energy for all them shrooms I'm going to be taking. You know I will. Okay, we're in Indiana. Now we're going to go a couple hundred miles south and get to Rio Spring. It's moving. South of Indianapolis, checking out this wonderful state park for Morels. Spring is definitely here. It's gorgeous up in here, gorgeous. And also Secret Shroom Fest a little further south than this. Wicked old sycamore tree. Holy crap. Look at the size of that trunk. I can see the leaves on this tree. It's a tulip. Tulip poplar. More closely related to magnolia. They have really cool leaves. So there's dead elms and live elms mixed together in here. And it's moist ground. This is the perfect habitat for morel mushrooms. This is what spring looks like when it's ready to produce morel mushrooms. Beautiful in here. These look like mica caps. Good sign. Young elm seedling next to a young tulip poplar. The leaves are just starting to come out. This is a beautiful forest. My little deer trail. I haven't had any luck, but I'm looking. I mean, it's just super beautiful. More if I hit it. This is Tattooed Granny, live from Indiana, where I found my very first morels. Look at these. More as they pop up. Join me today. What we have here are tulip morels, Morchella diminutiva. They are associated with lots of different trees, but they love the tulip poplar, which is actually more closely related to a magnolia tree than a poplar. They are also found on black cherry. That's more north. And here in central Indiana, well, it was growing out of a rock. I think it got warm. Never know where that mycelium's gonna be. Cereoporus squamosus, grid saddle, aka pheasant back. Edible. Some people love it, not me. Special shout out to my buddy Ninja Shroomer for letting me in on this hot spot of tulip morel mushrooms. It's a secret, can't tell you where I'm at. Ninja Shroomer's channel is linked below in the description box. Check him out. He is an Indiana hunter extraordinaire. So yeah, met one other shroomer today in this secret spot. He had one Morchella diminutiva in his bag. So they're not exactly exploding up in here, but they are here. I am grateful for the spot. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Tomorrow rain, probably no shrooming because it's gonna be that heavy and heinous. And then Saturday, Secret Shroom Fest 2023, baby. Yeah. Big boy, big boy. Okay. So someone marked this spot, y'all, with a bottle. And I saw it and I walked up. And there's a big fatty right there. And it's Fatty's brother. Fatty's brother. That's right by the road. Central Indiana rocks the house with shrooms, baby. Spring is here.